In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a mailing list with Weebly. If you're looking to build or manage a mailing list for your business or personal website, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into the steps to get you started. First, fire up your preferred web browser and navigate to Weebly's website. It's a convenient place for building free websites or setting up an online store. Once you're there, you'll want to log in with your existing credentials. Go ahead and enter your email and password to access the Weebly dashboard. If you don't already have an account, it's a good time to create one, as this will be your starting point for managing your mailing list. Now that you're logged in, click on the login button to continue. You'll be taken to the main overview section of your Weebly account. From here, locate and click on Edit Site to access the website editor interface. This is where you'll be able to make all the necessary adjustments to your mailing list form and other site elements. Next, click on the Build section to start customizing your website. This area contains various tools and features you might need. To set up your mailing list, you'll want to show all available elements by clicking on Show All Elements. This step is crucial as it unveils the form elements needed to create your mailing list. Once you've enabled all elements, it's time to take action. Find the form element and simply click and drag it to your desired spot on the page. This form will serve as the primary tool for collecting subscriber information. Make sure to place it in a location that's easily visible to your website visitors. After positioning the form on your site, click directly on the element. This action will trigger additional options that you can modify according to your needs. The next step is to select the Forms option to start personalizing the form. Here, you can customize various fields to tailor the form to meet your specific mailing list requirements. Consider what information you want to collect, such as names and email addresses, and make those fields mandatory if needed. Once you've adjusted the fields to your liking, the final step is straightforward. Click on Publish to make all changes live on your website. This action ensures that your new mailing list form is visible to everyone visiting your site and is ready to start collecting subscriber data. And there you have it. In just a few moments, you've successfully created and configured a mailing list using Weebly. Regularly check and manage your list to keep communications open with your subscribers. Thank you for watching, and happy mailing.